Welcome to this video dedicated to Jacques-Louis David, a towering figure of the Neoclassical movement and one of history's most influential painters. Born in 1748 in Paris, David's art was shaped by his deep passion for classical antiquity and his desire to convey powerful messages through grand, meticulously composed works. His paintings are renowned for their dramatic narratives, masterful technique, and ability to capture the spirit of an era marked by revolution, empire, and political change.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.